Hello, my name is Dr. Jason Stumhofer. I'm a professor in the Department of Microbiology and Immunology in the College of Medicine at UAMS. And my research group is interested in malaria. And malaria is caused by a parasite that's transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Malaria used to be pretty rampant in the US and the South, but it's been pretty much cleared. So most people, when you talk to them in this country, think, malaria? Does that still exist? Well, it actually does, and it's pretty widespread. Malaria is no longer present in the US. It's found globally, primarily in subtropical regions, with the highest percentage of infected individuals living in sub-Saharan Africa. And the populations at highest risk for disease are children and women in their first pregnancy. There are approximately 200 million cases of malaria every year, resulting in around 500,000 deaths. Unfortunately, there's no current vaccine available, and those that have been developed have poor efficacy in the field. While there are antimalarials that can be taken to prevent or cure disease, many of these drugs are expensive, and additionally, the parasite has developed a lot of resistance to these drugs. Reasons for this are unknown, and this is one of the things our group is interested in understanding, is why the immune response is so poor against this parasite. One thing we do know is that antibody is absolutely necessary for protection against malaria. Yet it takes an individual from their time they're born and to the time they reach adulthood to develop immunity to the infection. Why this takes so long to develop is a question that puzzles most researchers to date. So one thing our group is interested in is understanding how B-cell responses develop and are maintained, particularly memory B-cell responses. So our group is using a rodent version of Plasmodium, the parasite that causes malaria, to understand how B-cell responses are generated and how antibody responses are maintained. And this is the focus of our research in our laboratory. If you're interested in more details about my research, my information is on my webpage. Or if you're interested in doing research with my laboratory group, please feel free to contact me.